Heroism. Heroism means to be like a hero. Hero means role model, the ideal whom other people they want to be like him. They portray themselves or they want themselves to be like that particular hero. So a king should be like a hero. It is heroism. Heroism also means bravery. A king should be brave so that he can protect his kingdom, so that he can protect his people. Next, RIAFSSEN. A little bit difficult. Try, you can do it. Try. Okay, it is fairness. FAIRNESS, fairness. What does it mean? To be just. A king should be just. A king should be fair. In doing the justice, he should not be partial. One of the king's work is to do justice to his kingdom, to do justice to his people. So he should be just. In doing the judgments, he should not be partial. He should not be prejudiced toward one or other. So the other quality is fairness. Now we will do the word meanings. Page number 83. See the glossary. The first word is assistants. ASSISTANTS, assistants. What is the meaning of assistants? Those who assist us in our work, the helpers. The king also had assistants whom he sent to the kingdom to call the young people to his kingdom. So the king needed helpers to help him in ruling the kingdom. Assistant means helpers. Next word is summon. SUMMON, summon. Summon means to call, to appear for a particular purpose. To call for a particular purpose. Summon, to call. It is like order, giving order to call somebody. SUMMON, summon. Next word is congregation. CONGREGATION, congregation. Congregation means a group of people, a crowd. So many people collected at a place is called congregation, a crowd of people. Next is inherit. INHERIT, inherit. Inherit means to succeed to a position or title. To succeed means just like the king, this emperor called the youth to succeed his kingdom. He wanted to make another ruler in his place. When he grew old, he wanted someone else to be the ruler in his place. So inherit means to succeed. See, in the family also this thing, inheritance. Suppose your parents own a big business. Then when they grow old, they want somebody to take over. They want somebody to succeed their chair. They want somebody else to sit on their chair. This is called to inherit. Then mustered up. MUSTERED and UP. Mustered up means gathered, collected. GATHERED, gathered or collected. Next word is sheepishly. Sheepishly. Sheep. To be timid or shameful like a sheep. The word itself has its meaning. Sheepishly means shamefully. Next is shuffled. Shuffle is also a common word. SHUFF LED, SHUFF LED. Shuffled. Shuffle means to move about or to mix. Here shuffled means moved about. When the king appeared in the court, the youth which were gathered there, they started moving here and there. Shuffle means moved about. Then the next word is surveying. SURVEYING, surveying. Surveying means examining, reviewing, judging. Surveying means examining. EXAMINING, examining. Next word is screen. SCREEN, screen. Here the word screen is used to hide from view. When the emperor appeared in the court, he called Ling but Ling tried to screen himself. Ling tried to hide himself from the king because he was not able to grow any plant in his pot. So here screen means to hide. The next word is hesitantly. 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 Hesitantly means when you are not confident in doing something or saying something, you are uncertain. Your manner is uncertain. You are not confident. It means you are hesitant. So the meaning of hesitantly is in an uncertain manner. In an uncertain manner. Next word is stuttered. S-T-U-T-T-E-R-E-D. S-T-U-T-T-E-R-E-D. Stuttered. It means spoke unsteadily. Here also it means the same. You are not steady. You are not confident in your speaking. So it means you are hesitant. So stuttered also means spoke unsteadily. Behold. Do you remember the sentence that the emperor said in front of all the people in the court? Behold your ruler, behold your emperor, see, observe, look, this is your new ruler. So here behold means to look or to observe, to look or to observe. The last word is substituted. S-U-B-S-T-I-T-U-T-E-D. S-U-B-S-T-I-T-U-T-E-D. Substituted. Substituted means replaced. Substituted means replace. In place of one thing you put another. You are replacing something. It means substituted. So substituted means replace. So this is your work for today. Learn the word meanings, learn the difficult spellings, and write down the word meanings only in your notes copy. You have to write word meanings only in your notes copy. Now time to talk something. Yes, since corona days, so advice, just little advice from your teacher. Do not go unnecessarily out of your house, and if there is some urgency that you have to go out, it cannot be avoided, then wear a mask. Ask your parents, ask your neighbors, your friends, your relatives, your friends to wear a mask when they go out. One more thing, the slippers or sandals or shoes that you are wearing out, please do not bring them inside the house, in the living room or in the veranda, because when you are walking on the road, people spit here and there, and your slippers or your shoes may fall on it. So they may carry some dangerous virus. So it is better to keep the slippers or the shoes or the sandals that you are wearing on the road outside your house or near the door. Do not bring them inside the room. This is another precaution that you can use to save yourself, to protect yourself from this coronavirus. So this is all for today. I hope you will remember all the things, do the work, and tomorrow we shall continue with the more exercises in the same chapter. Till then, bye.